Tonight marks the 50th anniversary of the San Diego Regional Economic Development Corporation. Over the past 5 decades, countless business, civic, and education leaders have come together to contribute to the growth of our economy and to our organization. And in that time, no one has meant more to us than Dwayne Roth. Dwayne got us thinking differently about our region, thinking differently about our economy, and thinking differently about ourselves. And he reminded the world every day of the breakthroughs and the innovations that come from this region. And so tonight, in the memory of Dwayne Roth, it is our honor to present Viasat with the Dwayne Roth Renaissance Award for its countless contributions to the world around us and to the innovation that is changing lives every day.
Viasat has emerged from being a government contractor to being the provider of broadband in North America at this point. Viasat's first satellite had more capacity than all the other satellites, communication satellites over the US combined. Viasat is going to change the way broadband communications exists and is used and grows, and that will have an impact on companies and the whole community.
For JetBlue, innovation has always been incredibly important. From being the first airline to show live TV, we've always put the customer experience at the heart of what we do. So when it came to the question of in-flight Wi-Fi, we wanted a different solution. The Viasat Exceeding the Air service offers unparalleled bandwidth and performance. The Viasat partnership is allowing us to partner with great brands like Amazon to bring even more entertainment options to our customers. This is a new frontier in us being able to provide really relevant, up-to-date information to our crew members in flight. So congratulations, Viasat. We truly appreciate the partnership, and we look forward to continuing to innovate with you over the coming years.
So when I think about how they're improving and changing the world, Viasat, like Cal State San Marcos, is deeply engaged with its community for the common good. For the last 4 years, Viasat has been our signature sponsor for our SuperSTEM Saturday event, which kicks off the week-long Festival of Science and Engineering in San Diego. Just this last year, collaborating with Viasat employees, Cal State San Marcos faculty developed a unique professional science master's program, the first in the nation, which is going to launch this fall. And moving forward together, they will continue with their community to enhance the intellectual and the economic life of our region and the state.